Okay, you guys, so this is the USD CAD. I'm taking this trade right here. It's after the London session. And as you can see here, on the sell, it was a conservative trade, played out very nicely. And it actually delivered from here, signal to signal, 239 pips. 239 pips on the 15-minute time frame. Isn't that amazing? So I just sent out a signal to the group also on this trade for them to take it as well. But this is a beautiful, beautiful trade here. And give me a moment and I'll pull up the other trades that were running. This is gold, the gold trade. You'll see the other video where I entered on gold. But as you can see, gold hit target right here. Boom. Okay, some very good pips. Very, very good pips. 194 pips. And all this is on the 15-minute. Off the 15-minute. So you can use the 15-minute, 30-minute, 5-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Totally up to you which time frame you choose to use. This is USD Swiss. And this one I took off the 30-minute time frame. Let me kind of bring it in on the 30 so you can kind of see what happened on the 30-minute last time. Do this, take off auto scroll and kind of bring that on screen, and so you can kind of see right here on the 30-minute on the USD Swiss, and even before then, we should pull it back so you can see several trades with this system. And as you can see here, the USD Swiss, here was a winner, and if you were doing a one-to-one, because you do one-to-one, that would be 23 pips. Of course, that hit it very easily, but truth is that it went all the way down by 73 pips. Then you had a buy trade, which would have been a one-to-one, but of course it smashed that. Let me see. And we have the dashboard being worked on for you guys, so that was 41 pips, so right about here, somewhere around there, about 41 right there. To the pip, it would have hit it right there, 41 to the pip. And always remember, you can close out the trade whenever you feel comfortable. But anyway, we would have put it, the stop loss. That was a little far away. What you can do is always put your stop loss behind the arrow, behind it. If it's in the hot zone, you can put it below the hot zone or the last swing low. Totally up to you, one of those three. But either way it goes, if you would have put it below the last swing low or this support, which does not repaint, you had about 42, 43 pips, and that would have been given to you right there. Right there. Would have had that one. So that would have been a winner. And let's take a look. Let me move this over a little bit more. So now, thank you guys. And let's look at this one. And this one really would have smashed easily through. Your stop loss has been above there for a one-to-one. And so look at this one. This one, let's measure from when the entry was. Sorry. So from here to here, you're looking at 87 pips. So that's 4 trades in a row as a winner on using this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as you can see, this is about to hit my target because again, I'm just doing a one-to-one. My stop loss, you can see it's below the base right here. Just doing a one-to-one, and that will be for a total of 40 pips. So as you can see, it's at 29, 30. And so 10 more pips and the target will be hit, and we can mark that one as a winner. All right, let me go to Euro CAD because I'm also in that one as well. This is just an amazing fire system. Look at there. Look at this on camera. And let me bring this over so you can see even more. One trade. Smashed the one-to-one record. Second trade. Smashed it. And these are on the 30-minute. You can play them. That's why I say you can play them on whatever time frame you feel fits you best. And this one is right there. So again, 66 more pips. All right. And 70 pips is what I was supposed to put this take profit at. I forgot to put the TP, so let me put the TP here. It's supposed to be at 70 pips, so I'll do this in front of you guys. 70 pips right there. put it right there. Give it a little room. So how many pips is this? So let me see. That's total of 70 pips. This should be 70 pips. I'll put it at 92. Because if I put it at 70 pips, it'll be right there plus the spread. So that's the difference. See, 68 plus the spread, 2 more pips shy of what I want. Either way it goes, however you want to calculate it. Bottom line is, so I'll put it right there, which is right in reach. And once it taps that, we're good to go, and we'll be out of this trade at 92 pips on this one. But it has the potential to go up further, much further. But again, you know, we do 1-to-1, get in, get out, and we're done. So as you can see, we have 66 pips on this one. So that's 4 trades that are looking good. USD CAD we just entered. USD Swiss is almost at, it's doing good and almost at target. Euro CAD is almost at target, and gold hit target. So that's 4 good trades. All right, you guys.